Hello smart people, and welcome back into this channel. Today's tutorial is gonna be about the Instagram application, and I hope you want to talk about the way how we mute someone else's Instagram account so that we can get some peace for a moment. So here I would like to show you the way how to mute someone else's Instagram account, guys, so stay tuned. First thing we have to do is just go open our Instagram account and don't forget to sign or log in with our account. The next thing we need to do is we just need to find the account that we want to mute. So the account must be someone who posts really often in a day, such as your idol, the celebrities that you admire, but then in a day sometimes they will post like 10 or 100 posts so that all of your timeline will be filling with their content. And if you start to get annoyed and got distracted, you can just mute their content so that you can enjoy other users or other content creators content or post. The way you have to do is just go click this magnifier icon downside here, and after that in the search button go click it and just find what do you want to mute here. And after you're done doing that, you just need to take a look on this side. There will be like two options, following and message. To mute the content, so you just need to go click at this following, and there will be like several options over at this account. If you will still want to follow your idols, just keep follow them, but then if you want to mute some activities such as the post or story, go click this mute part, and you just need to pick which part or which content that you want to be muted. So you can just pause if their post is disturbing you, or you can also choose stories if the stories is also disturbing you. Go click after that, go click back, and now you're done. So that is the way how to mute someone else's Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. See you for the next tutorial.